Hey guys, welcome back to our 100-day Java course. Yesterday we learned about variables and data types, basically teaching the computer how to remember stuff. But here's the problem. Right now our programs only work with the values we type into the code. That means if you write a program that asks for someone's age, you can only test it with one age at a time, the one you hard-coded. That's like making an ATM machine that works only with your PIN, not anyone else's. That's not pretty much useful, right? So today we are going to make a program talk with the user. And the tool we are going to use is called Scanner. Think of Scanner like a mic for your program. It lets your program listen to the user. You ask a question, the user types something, Scanner scans it, and your program uses it. How to use Scanner? Import it. So what you write is import java.util.scanner. Create scanner object with scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. Ask the user for input. System.out.println, enter your name. String name equal to sc.nextLine. Print it back. System.out.println hello plus name. Your program now interacts like a chatbot. Types of input with scanner. Next line for text, next int for integers, next double for decimals, next boolean for true or false. Example, int age equal to sc.nextInt, double salary equal to sc.nextDouble. Let's build a basic calculator using scanner. Here how it works. Program asks you to type two numbers. You choose an operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Program calculates and gives the result. Welcome to Java calculator. Enter first number, let's enter 20. Second number 5. Choose operator, multiplication 100. Result is 100. So that's it for today.